Hub, and in this video we're gonna show you, or we're gonna share with you, our next week gold fundamental analysis. Okay, you may know that gold is called for XAUUSD. That means XAU means gold and USD. Okay, that means we have to follow our analysis with USD news because gold is connected with USD. Okay, there is two major thing you need to know, or you need to remember. That is two kind of news come with the market, and one of them is positive news, another one is negative news. Okay, if positive news, if market give us positive news, like if any news data come with positive data, like 0.5%, 245k with green color value, we will sell gold. That means for positive news we will sell gold. For negative news, negative data comes like red 0.5%, red 245k. For negative news we will buy gold. I already mentioned there. Okay, you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive news we will sell gold, why for negative news we will buy gold? Okay, let me explain it. Suppose this is a triangle of gold, its value is equal to 1, and this is a triangle of dollar. Okay, is both are equal. Okay, and this dollar value, that means USD value is 2500. Okay, and gold is always constant. Gold is always constant, and USD value is always changeable. That means this is variable, this is constant. Okay, and as per you can see there is two triangles same size, and one gold triangle is equal to 2500 dollar triangle. Okay, there is two sticky note, that means gold value is always fixed, that means constant, and USD value is always changeable. You may keep that on your mind. Okay, and let's see the market. Okay, let's see the market data. Like market data come with -5% or -5%. Okay, so if we -5% from our previous data, our previous value, let me clean that first. Okay, let me clean that. Okay, so if there -5% data come, that means if we minus 5% from this triangle will be smaller than previous, and in that case, as per gold is constant, gold is bigger than USD, so here is buy. Okay, that means if data come with negative value we will buy gold, if data come with positive value we will sell gold. Another one is here, there is +5% data come. Okay, and we added 5% over here, and that's why the triangle is 5% bigger than that one, and in that case gold is smaller than USD, so in that case for positive value we will sell gold. Okay, and this is the simple theory, this is just as simple as minimal theory. Okay, so let's get back into our chart. What kind of data can we show from the market? Okay, this is the chart from forexfactory.com. you may visit www.forexfactory.com, so you will see same data like that. Okay, you may see another lot of data which is not major data. Okay, like that. There you will be see yellow color data, and you may see some ash color data, and you may see some orange color data. So the red color data are very important. So if you want to trade only on important news, so you may keep your eyes on red news. Okay, that means red color data. Okay, in Monday we have one USD news, that means ISM manufacturing PMI. So if data come with positive value, data will come in this row, like in this row, in that row. So if data come with positive value, like green data, like 5%, so you have to sell gold. Okay, if data come red, like 5% with red color value, we may buy gold. Okay, so same thing on Tuesday. There is one time USD news, that is Joel's job opening, so you may keep your eyes on that news. Okay, another one is Wednesday, we have two time news, two time ADB non-farm and ISM service PMI, is same theory like that one. Okay, and in Thursday we have one time USD news, so unemployment claims. So this is very important news for the traders, for us, so we have to keep your eyes on that news also. So If data come with positive, we will sell gold. If data come with negative, we will buy gold. Okay. And the most important news of this month is NFP news, non-farm employment change. Okay. And this three news is most important news for this month. That means very important news for this month. We will hopefully we can make a lot with this news. So your concern, you need to more concern like above one, you need to more concern with that kind of news. Okay, that day's news, that means Friday's news. So if data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. So this is the simple theory. I hope you guys learn a lot from this video. If you have any query or question, you may ask our comment section, or if you want to learn more about news data or news trade, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/fxbillionhub. Here we are sharing a lot of theory, a lot of technique, a lot of rules, how to trade, how news data comes, how we have to trade. Okay, so hopefully this video will help you a lot. Mr. Boom signing out.